Hi, everybody. So this is Howard Chao. I'm one of your hosts today from Doon Insights. Welcome to our third crypto blockchain workshop, this year online, unfortunately, and not at Bonny Doon. So I'm joined on the screen by my new partner, Nick Sramek at Doon Insights. Say hello, Nick.
Hi, everyone. Good morning.
So as many of you are regulars at our workshops, you know how this goes, but some of you are first timers. So let me give you some background on us. So I'm a reformed corporate lawyer, previously at a law firm called O'Melveny, who are sponsoring our workshop today. And 8 years ago, I made the happy decision to become an early stage tech investor, something I'd been hankering to do for a while. And now I'm the happy owner of a large portfolio that I'm managing. But also, I've been hosting a series of startup workshops at my beloved weekend retreat in Bonny Doon in the Santa Cruz Mountains. And I'm now doing this new one on crypto today. One of the verticals I focused on was fintech, but as crypto became the big thing, that's when we expanded to crypto. Now, originally my workshops were intimate, invitation-only events with 15 startups and maybe 60 people in total. But and as we listen to the smartest people in the sector hold forth and hear their stories, we enjoyed wine on the deck, and it was a fairly social thing. But obviously, COVID hit, and so I brought everything online. And I quickly realized that with the online format, I was not limited by the size of my living room. So we were able to make these workshops more accessible to a larger number of people around the world and to attract more top speakers from distant time zones. In order to scale the workshops, however, I needed help. So I called upon my old friend, Nick, who's had a great deal of experience with programming, as well as tech and startups, to help me run our new events company called Doon Insights. So I'm very excited about today's program. As in the past, our priority is showcasing some of the top startups as a window into technology and market trends in the sector. So I think you'll find that today's workshops to be very stimulating. They truly reflect the tremendous breadth of ideas and efforts that are happening in crypto today. We also have an impressive lineup of subject matter speakers and panels for you today. My old friend and former law partner, Brian Brooks, who just stepped down as the acting comptroller of the currency and had an amazing tenure there, advocating for the integration of crypto and banking, will be speaking to us today on the subject of the future of banking and DeFi. In addition, we have a long list of other very prominent speakers on 8 panels addressing some of the most urgent crypto topics of the day. So let me give you a preview of some of the themes that we're going to touch on today. It was not long ago when the world of crypto gave the impression that it was a world apart, a self-contained autarky filled with some nerdy people that didn't care much about what happened elsewhere. That situation has clearly flipped. And with the advent of stablecoins, DeFi, and various other initiatives, the crypto world is building very significant bridges to the real world, including the world of finance and business.
Hello, everyone. Sorry about the delay there. I think we just had a problem. Howard left. Great things happen early in the morning. Apologies for the delay. We'll be starting in 1 second. Hey,
Sorry, I'm back. I had a technical problem. Sorry. So where were we? So we're talking about the world of DeFi, and so the crypto world is building significant bridges to the rest of the world, including finance and business, and at the same time, traditional financial institutions have plunged into crypto assets, and this has happened well before COVID hit, well before inflation was a threat, and before Elon, of course, bought billions in Bitcoin. So you will see how throughout our day how the virtual and real worlds are really merging, starting with our first panel entitled The Mainstreaming of Crypto Assets. However, the mainstream media does not do justice to what's happening in the world of crypto. The narrative still appears to be that crypto is primarily a new and exciting alternative asset, a new uncorrelated asset, and a better hedge against a lot of things. So what this misses is that much more fundamental disruptions that the crypto world is preparing to unleash on the real world are happening. So if the purveyors of DeFi have their way, then algorithms will soon be displacing many of the functions of our centralized institutions, including banks, securities firms, stock exchanges, options markets, SWIFT, custodians, escrow agents, and even lawyers and accountants. So for those of you who are new to the world of crypto, you're going to get a mind-bending taste of all this with the various presentations today. Another change, another fundamental change is that crypto projects are proposing to effectively do away with the role of equity in corporate organizations and replace it with a new ownership model where platform users and service providers are the primary owners, intermediated through tokens. Now, as a corporate lawyer, this is pretty earth-shaking stuff, since our traditional corporate governance is fundamentally based on share ownership. But the crypto world asserts that if you can construct a system where you distribute ownership more broadly across the stakeholders of a platform to share in the benefits of network growth, then the interests of all stakeholders are more aligned, and the pie is, of course, bigger for everybody. So if this happens, why do you even need traditional corporations? Indeed, often these projects do not issue stock, and the only way to invest is to buy their tokens in the secondary market. So one of our panels today is going to focus on the new governance structures associated with these platforms. Even more than the verticals that we covered with other Doon Insights workshops, I think you'll find that the crypto protagonists today are incredibly global. The crypto world was remote before COVID. And so we're going to have speakers today and startups from such diverse places as Vietnam, Dubai, London, New Zealand, and Shanghai, and more prosaic places such as New York and San Francisco. And even China, where the government has a policy of greatly restricting crypto initiatives, we're going to find in our afternoon session that there's still a lot of crypto activities going on under the covers there. At the end of the day, we're going to have another treat, and that is that the crypto world is intersecting with the metaverse of gaming and also the world of art. And so this is all accelerating at a blinding pace. Crypto is playing an important role inside the game economics of games, and also in the world of art via non-fungible tokens, NFTs. So our last cluster of sessions will talk about these dynamic new trends. So let me take this opportunity to thank the law firm O'Melveny for sponsoring today's workshop. And they've been a reliable partner and supporter of ours for years. And my former partner, Eric Sibbett, who is a dyed-in-the-wool practitioner in crypto at this point, will be hosting and moderating the panel on DeFi. So anyway, let's get on with the show. Since we have an incredibly full and ambitious program today, let me turn over the microphone now to my partner, Nick, who is going to tell us how things are going to work today from a point of view of scheduling and logistics. Nick?
Thank you very much, Howard. I thought that really highlighted some of what the state of play is in crypto today. And one of the central themes that I'm really excited about for these upcoming discussions is this the growing awakening of the vast potential within crypto. Past simply, it's just a store of value. So that's why I'm excited about the program, and we brought together dozens of experts in this field alongside the 15 startups that are presenting.